Hey, we're Sam and Kelly. Welcome back to our channel. We've been traveling through Baja for the past 2 months. We decided it was time to add someone new to our pack. A local foster dog named Mama. What we're about to do kind of feels like a drug deal. She's been on the streets of Cabo for the last 8 years. So we have 1 week to show her the most amazing time in Baja, which means you get to come too. Come along with us and our new pack, and let's explore Todos Santos together. Woo, woo! We are meeting some people from the rescue organization on the side of a highway, and they told us what car they're in and where to pull off. So, what kind of drug deal I'm down for. Come on, Mama. Good girl. Meet your friend. She is friend, not food, Tony. Hi, Mama. Oh my gosh, look at her little smile.
Now that we got our sweet mama, off to La Pastora, a beautiful free beach to camp at.
It takes a lot of our emotion to say goodbye to foster dogs, but luckily, you don't have to worry about us this time. There is no option of us keeping this sweet mama. She is already adopted by a family in Nebraska, and we're happy to just be a fun home for her for the next week. So Mama, we got you. We're gonna show you a great time before you leave Mexico. Vacation vibes from Mama. Baby girl, your teeth leave something to be desired, but you've had a hard life and I do not blame you. I also think it's very funny that her name is Mama because that's what we call my grandma. We call my grandma Mama. So it'll be interesting to get used to calling a dog my grandma's name.
So we just got to Playa La Pastora. It's about 10 minutes outside of the town of Todos Santos. It's an extremely windy day, but it's beautiful. A lot of people come here to watch surfers, and we're gonna hang out here for the night.
The pup's first interaction went a little something like this. Mama meets Sunny, also known as Tony.
Sunny.
Tony meet Mama, also known as, no, you just gotta call her Mama. Have some respect.
All right, pups, it's dinner time. Time to eat that chimkin. We like to add a little bit of moisture by adding some water in the kibble, get them hydrated, and supposedly taste better. So for the first night, we're gonna feed them separately, maybe the entirety of the time, but we're gonna start with separate. Also, if you're wondering why I'm sitting while peeing, you literally have no choice. You have to sit while peeing when you're using compost toilet, so.
Fun fact!
Fun fact! Doesn't matter what dog, they're always gonna drink water while I'm peeing.
On the menu tonight is going to be sweet potato and black bean tacos with some homemade guac. Sam's a lucky guy. Mama?
Dada. No.
If you rub her belly for 1 second, the leg pops up.
Only one.
The leg! Good night, Mama.
Sweet dreams.
Sweet dreams. More, Mama. Oh, big stretching. Let's go, Mama! Breakfast time! She's getting the morning goofs. Oh, he's like, I'm being goofy too. Look, oh my God, he's coughing. She slept next to me. Let me take out my retainer. There we go, that's better. She slept next to me last night and didn't make a peep. She was so sweet. And I may have a crook in my neck now for having her sleep in the bed and me not being used to it. But now it's time to leave the beach because we have a lot on the agenda today. Mama, Tony, we gotta go.
It's time to wrap Kelly's ankle.
Nurse Sam, back at it again. Cool. Oh my God, she's juicy. And this is how many weeks later?
This is about 10 days after the incident.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Kelly's driving.
Yeah,
Wish us luck.
So fasten your seatbelts. No arms or legs outside of the vehicle. On the agenda for this morning is first we need to drop off this big bulky crate back with the rescue. It's too big for the van. Sunny, you okay, Bubba? You want to get some water? And we're going to show this girl and you guys a good time in Todos Santos today. Let's go. Mama, we're gonna have you film some stuff today. You gotta help us out around here. Are you ready? People ask us how you don't get attached when you're fostering, and the truth is, we haven't figured that out. But luckily for us, she is adopted, so we can just kind of pretend that we are her aunt and uncle and taking her on a really fun weekend, or really fun week. Good job. Woo! They've got 4-wheel drive, so, you know.
We just got done walking Todos Santos. We're now going to maybe get some tamales and then head to Cerritos Beach.
Oh, we're getting tamales?
I think we're gonna get some tamales. Then we're gonna go to Cerritos Beach.
We're on our way now to Playa Los Cerritos, which is where we were all week in that surfing vlog that we did, the video 2 before this one. And it's one of our favorite beaches here. Not for the beauty necessarily, but for the community aspect and how many things are walkable from the beach. And you have a tiny bit of service, which is always nice. So we're gonna stay at this RV park. It's $10 a night, and we're gonna meet up with Talia and Maddie and show them Mama Bear.
Oh,
he's so
sorry.
He's so cute.
Oh, she's a mom. He has a bandana now.
Yeah, right? Safe to say our friends were big fans of Mama over here. Who wouldn't be is my question.
It's the end of the night. We just had dinner, just been kind of chilling, and now we're gonna set up the projector and we're gonna watch a TV show or a movie or something. Should be a fun, nice, relaxing way to end a beautiful Wednesday here in Baja, fostering a dog with Kelly. Life's tough, you know?
Good morning. It's time to clean up this van. Good morning, Mama. You have a rainbow on your paw. She loves Sam.
She's like my little shadow.
Yeah, she is Sam's little shadow. I think Sunny every morning is hoping that when he wakes up, she's gone. He likes being an only child, I think, but with the right dog one day, he will embrace it. Let's clean on 1, 2, 3, 4.
Wait.
I tongue scrape every single morning, and I've gotten the people I love around me to start tongue scraping. It's really good for you. We're gonna take the puppers down the beach of Cerritos because there's kind of like an empty spot there where no other people or dogs are, and we're gonna let them off leash and play. If people saw us on the beach on that walk just now, they would probably think that Sunny was our foster dog and Mama was our dog. We're obsessed with Sunny, don't get us wrong, but it is eye-opening to be around a very behaved dog. He's a work in progress and we love him so much.
So are we.
Everyone's a work in progress. But now we are going to pack up. Let's go.
You want me to get rid?
Yeah. Wow, you're so romantic. We had the pasta. Gracias. We got a rose. That's kind of cute. Someone's just selling a rose on the street.
For $1.
I mean, I made Sam get money out, but it's the thought that counts, you know? The grudging of getting the 20 pesos out. It's been a couple of very eventful days here near Todos Santos. We were able to stay in front of our friend's hotel that they had booked, so we got to use their jacuzzi and chill out and their shower, so that was really special. We ended up going to one of the bougiest and one of the best and prettiest places that we've seen in Todos Santos. It is called Oyestera. There's a big outdoor patio area that's absolutely stunning. So it's an oyster bar, but they also are known for really good cocktails and drinks, and it's just magical there. So that was very funny to take Mama from the streets to an oyster bar that was bougier than we've even ever been to. The best part is while we were walking around, there was this street dog that followed us and took a liking to us, so we welcomed him into our pack. When we got to the restaurant, he was not on a leash or anything, he was just standing next to us, and they let us all go in all the way to the back, and we treated that dog to some oysters as well. So we've been really just taking in the Mexico street dogs here. And that includes today. We drove from Todos Santos to Cabo. We're gonna take the dogs on a boat ride. Come on, let's go.
I didn't want to do it. You know, we forced it. It was a great idea.
He's like, I'm getting seasick.
Good job! Good job, Mama! Good job, Tony! We're back from the boat ride. That was so much fun. It was only $15 a person and dogs were free to come with us. The day couldn't be getting any better because we get to stay in a hotel tonight.
Which is crazy.
Insane. We haven't stayed outside of the van in months. So we are absolutely thrilled, and the best part is we don't even have to pay for it because Maddie and Talia's friends who are here, their flight got canceled, so the hotel is giving them 2 rooms at a hotel here in Cabo, and we can't believe that these 2 dogs we have with us who once lived on the street got to do a boat ride in Mexico today, and now they're staying at a really nice hotel here. So I feel like we are showing her the best time possible before she makes her trip to the US. So we're gonna head to the hotel now, and we're gonna take you and show you what the hotel looks like. This week just keeps getting better and better for us and the dogs. Come on in, I'm gonna give you a quick tour. Starting in the entrance, on the left we have a coffee bar fridge station where you can prepare some morning stuff. Have a sliding mirror door that leads into a standard bathroom with a flushable toilet, which is crazy for us, and a walk-in shower. Then over here we have a movable desk. We've already been working on it. Over here we have a bed that the dogs have already claimed. It is firm, but who's complaining? It's free. And then over on this section, we have a TV and a dresser, and then come with me to the balcony. Here is our balcony looking over Cabo. Not too bad for free accommodation and for people that live in a van.
Took a shower for the first time without sandals in about 2 or 3 months, and it should be a fun night.
And we will see you tomorrow.
Morning, Mama.
Good morning.
How was last night?
Tony, tell me, how was it last night? He's Italian. We woke up on the right side of the bed. Just so you know, Mama chooses to sleep down there. She can sleep in our bed. It's just gonna be an amazing time.
Kind of a pampering weekend.
Yeah, this has been a 5-star weekend. It's a good week for Mama to join the pack.
We have to give you a goodbye prayer, okay? Mamas, we love you so much. You were an amazing addition to the pack. You survived 8 years protecting yourself on the street. You had litters of puppies.
Too many to count.
Too many to count. You're a badass woman.
You're top dog.
Nobody gonna mess with you.
No one.
And we know you're gonna have the best time in your retirement in Nebraska.
We're so happy we got to be with you this week.
I love you and your little mouth that has no teethers.
No teethers, like your dew claws.
Yeah, your dew claws are just hanging off and your little nippies are swinging left to right.
Yeah.
And your farts
are quite the stank.
Tony, do you have any last words?
Get the devil woman out of here.
Thank you for being part of our pack and part of our lives. We're never gonna forget you.
No.